The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, northeastern Madison County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Darby, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, Jefferson, Groveport, West Jefferson, Minerva Park, Lake Darby, Easton, Ohio State University, Whitehall, New Albany, and Grandview Heights. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 82 and 111. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.